Are you an empath? Are you deeply intuitive? You kind of know what's happening with somebody before they say anything. Crowds kind of freak you out. It's too much energy going on. Maybe, just maybe, you're sensitive to sound and lighting and texture and all the things that impact the surface of your body. And then maybe you find it hard to create boundaries. All these four criteria give us a little signal, a little clue that maybe you are an empath. And empaths are people who feel with, not just feel for, but feel with other people. And as a result, you have all of this extra energy that's going out there into the universe. And that can be hard sometimes. And so, this little practice from the world of Kundalini yoga and meditation is designed to get you ready for any time that you encounter someone outside your home. So, if you're going grocery shopping, a gathering, something that you got to do outside of your home where the circumstances are not known in advance, here's a little practice just for you. We're going to be leveraging a technology called your aura. Your aura is connected to your electromagnetic field. It sits in the space around you, 9 feet in all directions. Your aura is a projection of all the things that you think about, all the feelings that you feel. And so the idea here before you go out there is to neutralize with a very short exercise, and then to set an intention as you go out into the world. Okay. Before we go any further, my name is Salima, yoga therapist. And if you like this content, come and check out what's happening on Instagram at Yoga Vision. Lots of great techniques, lots of quick tips in order to help you feel good in the world as a spiritual being. All right, let's begin now. Sit up tall and straight, or maybe you're standing at the door with your jacket already on. Here is the gesture. And we're going to do this for about a minute. So just imagine you're inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. And from here, imagine that you're sweeping your aura clean. If you have the ability to do this loudly and vigorously, then go ahead and do that. If you want a more subtle version, you can just move your hands away. Just imagine yourself sweeping your aura clean. Okay, so there aren't really any hard and fast rules about how you do this, but rather that you concentrate on keeping the area and the space around you clear. Okay, let's continue with that breath. Bring your hands over your heart space. And now imagine the space around you, 9 feet in all directions. And here, imagine a white light of protection. So very quickly think of something that surrounds you. Maybe it's a bubble, maybe it's a shield, maybe it's a force field. Use your imagination. It can be something different every single time. Create that environment of protection. Nothing comes to you unless you welcome it to come. And nothing comes out of you unless you are giving permission for it to be there. Take a deep inhale, close your eyes for a moment and set your intentions. What kind of gathering, what kind of experience, what kind of interactions do you want to have? Are they neutral? Are they loving? Are they powerful? Are they independent? You set your intentions now. Deep breath, squeeze all your muscles, and very powerfully through the mouth, exhale. 2 more, inhale, seal it in, and exhale. 1 more time, inhale, squeeze, tense, hold, and exhale. Awesome. Take a moment now, gather yourself, and listen to this as many times as you need in order to memorize these steps. Once you have it, make it your own. Figure out what you need in order to protect yourself so that you go out into the world confident, safe, protected. All the love to you. My name is Salima, yoga therapist. Like and follow for more. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Bye for now.